Come here. Damn, guys, while I was figuring out this camera, look at the size of the fish I caught. Phew, 2 bites. I caught a big one. Wow, that's crazy. A kilo. A real big one I caught. I didn't expect them to bite so quickly, you see, but it did bite. Yoshkin, you cat. It took the bait by the lower lip. I used 2 maggots, and I also added a little worm, and that's how this beauty was caught. Friends, good morning. Look, the birds are singing wild nature. At 5:30 in the morning, I came to the river again to catch beautiful big wild crucian carp. The forest is flooded, everything is completely underwater. I didn't show you last time. I'll just show you so you understand. I'm wearing boots, but there are spots where the water is up to your waist, so you need a suit. I barely made it through. Everything is completely flooded this year, there's a lot of water. Last time I was standing over there where you see those branches, I was wearing sneakers and fishing, but now it's all underwater. We'll be fishing with a sandwich as bait. What the core? We give a nice fat one like this a worm. And 2 maggots for the bait. As practice shows, it's effective. Oh, just like that. Then snip. I also brought a little lure with me, and we'll try it with the lure too, but for now I'll try it with the meat. Alright. So, repeat. Repeat. Another friends. Another little Crucian bukasik. Look, it's biting since early morning. Since early morning there was a bite, but it's a small one. Tiny, but still nice. Wow, it's putting up a fight. Look at this wild Crucian carp, beautiful. I thought it wouldn't bite in the morning, but you see, as soon as I threw in the bait, literally, what, maybe 20 minutes passed, and the bite started. Whew, let's take a break, and the duck is quiet, now probably. I'll cast it under that bush, or put on 2 maggots, you see. Here I'm adding a maggot. It doesn't want a plain worm there. One, two, one. 1, 2, 1. Oh, damn. You what? Huh. Handsome friends, did you see? I moved it. Moved the fishing rod, and he took it. I see, something's nibbling, so I thought, I'll move it a little. Subtitles. Damn, he took it. That's how it is, but it's also not big. But look, what a beautiful black and yellow color. Well, a very nice crucian carp, damn. It's such a pleasure, and it's all covered in leeches. I'm really enjoying it. Awesome. Oh, and there's a bite over there. Look, something bit there too. Yoskin the cat. Good. Yeah, go ahead. Unhook yourself.
Иди сюда. Иди сюда.
Such friends. Peaceful. The crucian carp is biting. Today there aren't any big ones, but the crucian is feeding. You can see the bubbles coming up. I'll try this one, the pearl barley. I don't really want to use pearl barley actually. Look, it's only biting on this sandwich, not on what I don't want. On one fishing rod. I don't want to use this second rod. I keep casting there, but I'm only catching on one rod. That's how it is. It's warmed up and the sun's out. The weather is just wonderful. Yeah. Move over, Kia Kunchik. Oh damn. If only it was winter. If only something would bite. That would be a miracle. The perch is simply amazing. Beauty, simply beauty. Thank you for watching. We need perch, huh? If I needed fish soup, friends, I would have taken it, but I don't need it right now, although the fish is very tasty. Look at this one. Come here. Come here. Oh. Good, Baban Kliosh. Good, Baban Kliosh. Gave him something fresh, made it foreign. Now that's better. Now my friends, that's a size, wow, something that actually looks like a crucian carp. Otherwise I thought it might be a perch biting. And now, oh man, jeez. Test it, test it. I thought that was it. If the perch isn't biting and it's not, that's it. Go home, Uncle Karas. No, I'm happy. The fish are feeding. The bubbles are coming up really well. The bite is actually pretty good today, so I'm satisfied, that's all. By the way, I'm using a worm with a maggot as bait, and there's pearl barley on the other rod, nothing on that one. My friend was also fishing with pearl barley, but as you can see, it's not really biting on that for me. Got one, Alta.
Ух. Иди сюда. Ух.
Beautiful Crucian carp. Listen, it's about 350 grams. The fat content is just about 350, 400 even here in this form. Oops. Oops. Wow, damn, if only you knew, friends, how strong it is. This is no joke. This isn't like catching Crucian carp for money. Damn, Crucian carp. The Crucian carp is strong, it's just crazy. Wow, Zvereva on one fishing rod. Cool, that's all.
Але?
The size, friends, it's not the size we need. There are monsters here that weigh a kilogram or more. But for now, they just don't want to bite. Well, you... just throw it. Are joking. Just throw it. Friends, don't teach sweaters to catch quickly. Here, I just threw it in, and damn, the frying pan is hot. The Crucian carp is going wild. You want it on the pan? Damn, this is crazy. Not fishing, friends. This is crazy. At 8:30 in the morning, the wind picked up and the bite slowed down. I'll stay a little longer, then wrap it up and go home. That's enough for me. Today I'm satisfied. The fishing was just great. Now I'll show you the catch. Look at the beautiful Crucian carps I managed to catch. These Crucian carps are just amazing. This one is about 1 kilo, and there are some a bit bigger, some a bit smaller. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the fishing. So, if you liked it too, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That's all. Wishing everyone peaceful skies and good luck fishing.